Yo. Where you at, motherfucker? You say you gonna kick my ass at ball?
I'm at my house, bro. I'm making food. I'm about to eat.
Alright, bro. Well,
2 egg burritos.
I got AJ and Isaiah with you. I'm gonna beat you, bro. I'm gonna beat you.
You need to beat some elementary school kids before you beat him, bro.
Dude, Taylor, I'll beat you too, bro.
Alright, there's Hunter. He's coming right now.
Hey, I'll let you know when we're going, okay?
Yeah, so you know you're here. I bet.
Alright, go.
We got Josh freaking G Cook. 1v1, gate 11, 1 2s. Wait, will I go gate 15, 2 and 3s, or 1 2s? Or gate 11?
Let's go. Huh?
1s and 2s, 11.
Alright, so shoot the ball.
Shoot for ball?
Shoot for ball.
From 3.
Boom, like your life depends on this. You got this. Ooh. Wet.
Is he already on your head top?
Alright.
You zip. Oh my god.
Hunter's looking like a hooper right now. Hunter's shaping up pretty good.
Bro, you're
You had such a good mind.
Come on, Josh. Come on, bro.
Just get work.
No, I this one no, I tried.
That was like the Lego effect.
Oh! Oh!
Alright. The fact that
For them.
And his name is John C.
I was about to say, he acted like Josh is gonna fucking be bossed up editing this.
Oh! Alright, 4-1. I like 4-1.
Oh, what am I doing? They barely put that song back on Apple Music because they have copyright.
Oh! That would have been clean.
Bro, Josh, you could have literally just shot that, bro. That didn't even touch the backboard or rim.
Oh. Wow. That's the second time.
Nah, because I would be mad if that went in, bro. You didn't deserve to make
He's
that.
literally just tossing.
Yeah, you didn't deserve to make that one. What
Josh
the fuck?
Wick.
There was no skill.
More like Josh missed.
Oh my.
You gotta make one, bro. Come on. That's what. Bro, put some more bass in
Your
your
bands are clean, Isaiah.
Go, go.
Yeah, right, you can even record.
Okay, it's 4-1?
Yeah, 4-1.
Oh, God, he does it. That nigga sure is. He's probably just low cut. Oh, you good? Bro, what the fuck is that, bro? You good, Josh? Sure, I'm good. We're just getting mad at Josh. We're like, dude, what the fuck?
God, that was a flight reaction right there, bro. What's this?
4-1.
Bro, what the fuck was that?
And you ain't even do it right.
What the fuck was that, bro? Hey, punch the camera, punch the camera.
All the way, it went up.
Ah!
Your hand that way, bro.
Oh yeah.
Hey, did you have a soundboard app?
Yeah.
And they had
Damn. Bro, just put your hand up.
song in there.
Wow.
Oh, you could have put that up. That was real.
I believe I can fly.
this man. Don't gas this man.
Hey, drive. You haven't even drove one.
Fuck him up, bro. Fuck him up, bro. You could literally, bro. He's like twice his fucking weight, bro.
They
Nah.
do it. That is how you
Dude, cook.
I'm driving down a throw him up like I'm fucking shoulder down whenever I'm walking. This is a good display of Butter's ball handling skills and has improved. Oh! That man can handle the ball. What? That's like 6 4? Alright, that's 5. 5
4.
Because he makes you okay.
Close game.
Got to go back. I'm gonna have to go this back
You're
room.
actually looking pretty good right now. Hey, Hunter's like it's shaping up nice.
Let's go.
Even the court was like, take this trash ass shit back. Hey, yo, that little fucking thing right there.
5'4", 5'4".
Architectural design they threw
cool
on.
though, huh?
That shit looks clean as shit.
Last time we were here, I wanted to climb that shit, but I don't think
There's a ladder. Fucking cars on like
no. He thinks he's a fucking fool right now. Look at his.
yeah, it is like it's fucking up there.
Yeah. What's this?
Fuck. That's actually drive it down.
Hey, whenever you make, you gotta do a celebration. All right.
Oh, yeah, this that guy. Let this nigga shoot, bro. That's fucked up. He all the way out here and dude.
Yeah! Celebrate!
I came in like a wrecking ball!
Yeah! 7-6, baby!
Hey, dude, you've been listening to Miley Cyrus. You can see that record.
Put it up.
What's this one?
That's money.
Oh no, that was. I felt, you know.
Right in the dust.
It left your hand. I knew that shit. I felt the whip, not the whip.
Oh, God.
You're having too much damn fun recording this game.
I feel like I'm the editor.
Yeah.
Like, say that. He won't even have to edit the videos.
All right, come on.
Finish him.
Oh! No way.
Bruh.
I stepped out. Field there right now, dude.
Yeah!
Alright,
Right here.
just drive, bro.
Flick my tri-mode on.
Oh, nice fucking screen. You guys are cold now. You guys are heating up.
Bro, I
guys are
haven't
hot for a
loaded
little
these
bit.
songs yet, so they take a few seconds to
Yeah,
load.
bro. Y'all ain't make shit.
Oh, they have to go in.
Yeah, like the first time since I've never played any of these.
Damn. 7-7.
Hey, what?
7-7.
All I need.
Yeah, celebrate, baby.
78.
Hey, show us your hoop skills, your dribbles. Come on, Josh. Come on, Josh. What do I have? 9-7. Dog, the dog.
This
9-7.
is for it all.
Oh! Hey, somebody's giving you a big call, bro.
Bro, it's a ringtone in this sound effect, bro.
Honestly, I kind of have to block you because you've been taking shots. More than me.
Steal that shit.
Josh, throw it away, bro. Come on.
Double triple sometimes.
Stay done.
8-9.
What the fuck is that Korean?
Cremating somebody in that room right there, dude.
Oh, that was good, bro.
Josh with the comeback.
Oh my god.
Get it, throw it up. Yeah! Believe I could touch the sky.